Hello, listeners. Welcome to another edition of Literary Voices. I'm your host, Yaa Yeboaa, and today with me I have a special guest, and who is a chef, Chef Nate.
Yes, I'm here.
Everybody does something differently with how they tell stories. Yours is cooking.
Yes. It's been a blessing, even getting to the passion of cooking.
Yes.
With cooking, I've come a very long way.
Yes.
And it's just, when it comes to cooking, it's just, I enjoy it. And it's just, I love to do it. And many might ask, oh, so what really gets you into cooking? Why do you like cooking?
I don't think you need me to ask you the questions. You can just flow with it. I love it.
Yeah.
That means you're very comfortable in my hot seat.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the opportunity of inviting me to come to this show. I really appreciate it so much.
And I appreciate you also accepting to come onto this program. So before we get into how and where you started cooking, can you give us a little bit about your background?
Actually, my both parents, yes, again, they are Ghanaians.
Okay.
Yes, I was born in Ghana.
Yes.
In Jamestown, Accra.
Hey, so, Jamestown.
Yeah, so my both parents are deeply Ghana, and I actually migrated here when I was about 16 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, so from that time to now, you can see almost over 20 years old. Over 20
wow.
years that I've been here. And coming here, I get to see that it's a vast change.
Yes.
With the development here and back home, it's a bit different.
Growing up in Ghana versus growing up in North America.
Yeah, growing up in Ghana and here, it's a vast difference. And here, you get to see that there's even much more opportunities that if you really push yourself, you really work hard, you can make it.
You can achieve.
it.
So, chef.
Yes.
I know these days young men are becoming chefs, but traditional cooking really was an all-female thing, especially in Ghana, except on special occasions whereby the young men decide to do their own thing with their,
Yeah, that's very true. Yeah, because back home, as I was growing up, you get to see a lot of the moms.
Yes.
Doing all the cooking and all that. And
either the moms and the sisters.
And you see your uncles and cousins, your uncles, even having married and all that. You see most of the time the women are doing all the stuff. But
yes.
I know it's amazing how to see a man getting that passion.
That is true.
The funny thing. Growing up, my mom actually was also a chef. Yeah.
Okay.
My mom was a chef, and she owns her own like a little kind of like a /dinner/lunch restaurant.
Choba.
Like a little kind of something like that. But in the evening she used to do like eggs. Fiat will say omelets.
Oh, okay.
Tea. She has the egg. If you see the lineup, she has not started. People are standing there
waiting for her. Wow.
Until I give tea and egg.
Where is this?
So this was in Koloko.
Oh.
Deep Accra. It's a little bit closer to Bukom. So because I was born in Jamestown, but a little bit deep in Accra.
You just reminded me of a song from, I've forgotten their name. Not Work by Jackie. In your lobby, Esther. I think it's Adani Best. Yes.
That's a long time, so.
Yes, in Koloko. That was just an aside. Yes.
Yeah. So mom was a chef herself, and my grandmom too was a cook. So my mom does the tea and that, and my grandmom does from like lunch.
Yes.
But she used to do banku.
Oh.
And fried fish.
Okay. So banku keshitolu.
Banku keshitolu lunch. Banku keshitolu. Hi.
Green pepper.
Hey. And you want that too. You have when you chop that. Hey, now what strength? So you can see the cooking was in there.
The cooking has always been in there.
Plus in that, my dad too was a cook.
Okay.
My dad's mom used to own a little restaurant around London, London, Koloko.
Oh,
It's
I didn't know there was a London in Koloko.
yeah, it's a place they call it London in Koloko. Yeah.
Okay.
It's I think they're part of a place where Ikoti family is also from.
Okay.
Yeah, because we are a bit related to Azuma Nelson actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
yeah,
right.
Yeah, yeah. So it's my dad was a cook. My dad's mom used to own a little restaurant. My mom was also a cook. She owned a restaurant. My grandmom
Yes.
was also a cook. She owned a restaurant. And on top of that, my dad's dad was the main guy. I got to find out when I was at the age of 23. I was standing in the kitchen cooking. And then my dad is like, when I look at you, you look just like my father, like me, his father.
Your grandfather.
Yeah, I tell you today, sit down. So we started talking. It's like, I haven't said anything, but I tell you, your grandfather was, because when I was born, he passed away already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he said, yeah, your grandfather was a chef. I said, where? It's like, Legon University, you see like that. He was the top head chef in Legon University.
Wow.
I said, okay. Wow, this is very interesting.
So it's like getting from you your history. It's in your blood.
It's in there. Even though I did like I love computer. I did computer technician in college for almost 2 years. I did all that, but it's funny enough. I remember sometime when we were at college, like my friends want to eat something, and I'll prepare something.
Yes.
And then I said, my guy, where you go learn this thing from? I said, I don't know. I just love to do it.
Yes.
But it was in there. So one of my friends, the mom's like, I don't know. You should try. Just take a course or something.
Yes.
I said, I just enjoy. Just listen. No, the way you enjoy it, the way
you might as well use your passion as a
passion.
profession.
But I know at that time, I didn't. I was not thinking about not knowing it was in there.
Yes.
So I remember when I finished my college for my computer technician, I came back home and surrounding everything. And my dad is like, I see you. I know you still love enjoying the cooking. Maybe try it out. Take a chef course or something. I said, okay.
How was that experience?
It was good. It feels good, like starting in the kitchen and cooking.
Yes.
It's like every day I just want to go and cook.
And cook.
I just want to go and cook, and it's fun because I did my culinary arts in Sinclair College in Windsor.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was in Windsor for a bit, and I have.
So how long was that program?
This was talking about almost 7-8 years.
The culinary school.
Yeah. Then when I went, about 6-7 years. Yeah.
From beginning to end.
No, it was 1 year, but I did about 7 years ago.
Oh, okay. It's a 1 year course.
It's a 1 year course. And then,
okay.
By God's grace, through the course that I was doing, I got a job. I was offered a job at the Casino Windsor.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was one of the top job in the whole city in Windsor.
Yes.
So I said, okay. So I took the offer, and I did part-time.
Yes.
So the moment I finished my culinary, I said, okay, hey.
You have full-time.
Jumping with us, and that's when the journey began.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's been a blessing. And even within when I was within the city, some of my boys, like, they want food and stuff. I used to start doing like a little jollof, and I'll do the
I'm looking at you, and it's like the way you're talking about cooking with passion.
Yeah, I just enjoy it.
Wow.
I never get bored about it. Never. I never get bored about it.
It's nice to see somebody who so much loves what they do.
Yes.
And you're getting paid for it.
Hey, yeah. Once you collect it, you have to collect it.
Double, triple.
Four. Yeah, so it's the journey has been very interesting.
Beautiful.
So sometimes you can just go do a job and you just go to work and come back. But it's, when you go into somewhere that you enjoy it, you love it, it's just a blessing. And I remember when I was in the Casino Windsor, when I started, I met a chef there. His name was Chef Howard.
Chef Howard.
Everywhere I go, I always keep mentioning this my name.
Yes.
I remember when I began to work under him. And then one time we're talking, he saw me, he's like, you know what? You're my son. What do you want to know? I'm going to teach you. Okay. I just like the way you are humble. Okay. And through that workplace, anything they want to do, I'll get involved. I'll help. And to the glory, I met a couple of chefs there and all that.
Yes.
Sanjeet, Raj, a lot of chefs I met there.
Yes.
But this Mr. Howard took me on, not just in the workplace, out the workplace. Yes. So he used to have his own catering. Oh, so he mentored you through it. He mentored me. And not just the cooking, but the business. And physically. He was a very God-fearing man. And that again became a bonus for me.
Yes.
Actually, yeah. So he mentored me a lot through. Sometimes when he has a catering, he'll call me, okay, can you do this? And he'll wash, okay, no, on Fridays, do that way.
Yes.
And then he'll do it, okay, you take in charge of that.
Yes.
Then I'll do it. If I'm not doing the wrong way, he was, okay, do it this way. The
Yes.
next time, so, okay, you know, you are in charge, do that.
Yes.
And so everywhere I go, I keep mentioning his name. That the journey is interesting. I thank God bringing him also in my path as well.
Yes, yes. You know, what I'm thinking is, I know you started with traditional cooking. That is what you were born with. African cooking or West African, Ghanaian to be precise, cooking. And then you had to learn using these other Western ingredients.
Yes, very true. Very true. To do different things. That is when I begin to get involved, learning more aspect. Because yes, I know our food. I understand our traditional food. And
Yes.
you know what? I need to versatile myself.
Yes.
So I gotta learn other things. So I was humbled.
Yes.
And
Yes.
my chef there, he was Caribbean, from the Jamaican.
Okay.
So he got to teach me a bit about the Caribbean aspect.
Okay.
I met some chefs that were Spanish. They got to teach me
A little bit about
so
Spanish.
what we
Yes.
begin to do as we are working in the company, it's a big buffet.
Yes.
So they have the Asian station. They
Yes.
have the grill where they do like Mexican and all
Yes.
that. We have like a pizza station. We have
Yes.
like a seafood station. So
And then
what happens is they put you this station, and wherever they put me, I'm humbled to work there. I never
Okay.
complain. But not knowing, as working there, I'm acquiring the knowledge. And I remember one time, they put me at the Asian station. They asked me if I want to work there. I said, why not? It was an old lady that worked there. She was at the time. And they said, can you work with her? I said, yes.
Yeah.
I think that's my mom. I'm going to work with her. And when I went there, she said, my son,
Go.
I'm going to teach you what you want to do. I said, Mom, I'm ready.
Okay.
I was there for 6
Yeah.
months.
Going
6
for-
months, I was
yeah.
operating the whole Chinese cooking. Asian food, whatever it is, I was doing.
Yes.
There was an older lady that
Town,
worked there.
sauce
She
from
was, I think,
scratch.
Yes.
Thai and half
Fried
Chinese.
rice, different type you have
And
to
they said,
do.
can you work with her? I said,
Some
yes.
other
You know,
hours.
I'll take as my mom.
Just
I'm going to work with
to
her.
it.
And when I went there, she said, my son,
Remember, there was one Chinese guy.
I'm going to teach you what you want to do. I said, Mom, I'm ready.
Station.
Okay.
I worked there for 6 months. Within 6 months, I was operating the whole Chinese cooking. Asian food, whatever it is, I was doing it. General
You
house,
didn't tell
pasta
him
from
you were
scratch.
Blackanese.
Fried rice, different types you have to do it. You know, dim sum and all that. I was just into it. And I remember there was one Chinese guy
we
passing
did
by,
have,
so he used to look at me on the Chinese
We
station.
tasted some of your
And he said,
cooking
"You
at
cook Chinese food?"
just
I said, "Yeah."
recent
"Oh, good."
Samini concert, and I must say
You
it
didn't
was
talk
quite
to me were black and
interesting.
Oh God. The journey has been very, very
Interesting. Wow.
Yes.
We did have we tasted some of your cooking at
So
just
before we
recent,
go
Oh, the
into
Samini
chutney
sauce.
sauces,
Yeah.
now
I
many of
must
us
say
don't
it
know
was quite
what it is.
interesting because
There
I
are
went
people
for
who know,
chutney.
others don't know. So break it down.
Yeah, that's
What is a
on-
chutney
coming very
sauce?
soon. Yeah, it's like
Yes.
I have branched myself to actually start bringing like chutneys, sauces,
So
because
before
go ahead.
we go into chutney sauces,
So
now
Okay.
many of us don't know what it is.
Okay.
There are people who know, others don't know. So break it down.
So-
What is a chutney sauce?
So when you talk about chutney sauce, it's pretty much taking food, and make it into like a sauce.
Oh,
Fruit, yeah. So you can take like, let's say pineapple.
Okay.
Now I can have something like a
yeah.
chicken.
Sweet and savory,
Yeah, you can have the
yes.
chicken, you can have the rice. But you need something that will kind of balance and enhance more flavor of what you're going to eat. So this is when this chutney
Yes.
and then the sauces come in. So the chutney is more like a
Yes.
sweet taste, like a savory kind of
Sweet
sour.
and
That
savory,
balance, yeah.
yes.
And then out of that chutney, sometimes something always has to be sweet. Now you can do other sauces that's a little bit mellow, which is not too
I
spicy. So
actually
maybe
did
the
a
food that you're
combination
eating,
like,
Yes.
it's a little bit
Okay,
kind
what
of
is this?
spicy on the
Wow.
other end.
Yes.
And, you know,
And
sometimes
that's
they want
why
to put
the
the
chutney
chicken,
got
which is
stuck
our
in my
sauteed
head.
onions and
Yes.
ginger and all that. You need something to balance. Not everybody can
Okay.
taste.
I actually did a combination like, okay, what is this? Wow.
Yeah.
And that's why the chutney got stuck
Got
in
got
my
stuck into your
head.
head. And I'm working on that. I'm working on that sauce. It's coming up by the grace of God sometime
Tomato.
next year. Which I'm working on bringing like pineapple
I love
chutney,
that.
mango chutney, venison fruit chutney. Venison fruit, it's a fruit that looks like kind of
Tomato.
yeah, but it's very healthy,
Orange.
kind of orange style.
I love that.
And it's very, very healthy. Even just to eat one
Then
a
I
day,
think
it's very
I
good.
would love
Just
that.
one.
This,
So
this,
Very, very good. I've actually been able
my next
to
visit,
create
Yes.
a hot sauce of it,
okay,
chutney of
okay.
it,
I'm gonna bring some
Oh.
of the sauces.
and just a regular sauce.
Then I think I would love that.
So come the next my next visit.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes, I'm gonna have- I'm gonna say some
that
stuff.
that
Yeah,
is
I'm trying to
secret
bring- I'm
in
gonna
the
bring some of
box.
my
Don't
sauces.
let it out. Do not let it out. I know you love your cooking. You're very excited about
I'll
it,
give
but
it- I'll-
do
I'll
not let the
explain.
cat out of the box.
That is
as
secret in the
yet.
box. Don't let it
Okay,
out.
all right. Let me
Do
keep
not
it.
let
Let me
it out.
keep it out.
I know you love your cooking.
Right
You're
now,
very
let's
excited
look
about
at
it, but do
working
not let
as
the
a
cat
chef,
out of the
because
box
we've
yet. Thank you.
we've kind of we know your history,
So,
how you
right
started,
now,
and
let's
up
look
to
at
school. Right now,
working
you
as a
work
chef.
full
'Cause
time
we've,
as a chef, and
We've
you
kind of
also
we know
run
your
your chef
history, how you
business
started
on
and
the side.
up to school. Right now, you work
Go ahead.
full time as a chef,
Yes.
and you also run your chef business on the side.
Okay.
How do I balance those?
Yes.
Yeah.
They also
my
need to
main
eat.
job that I'm doing
Okay.
right now, I'm working for in the movie industry. So
Okay.
the movie I cook for movie actors.
They also need to eat.
They also have to eat. Yeah. So it's like they have like a set.
So you cook
that,
on
location,
set,
or
on
sometimes
location.
wherever that they will travel.
Wow, I'm going to
shoot
ask
the
this
movie.
question
We have to
in
go-
that.
we have to
So
go.
they
So
bring the
you cook
trucks,
on set,
the
on
kitchen
location.
trucks with them,
Location,
or
cook on
they
set.
set
Well,
up.
I'm going to ask this question in that. So they bring the trucks, the
Okay.
kitchen trucks with them, or
So
they set up.
actually, the company that I'm with, thank God, we have our own trucks.
Okay.
We have a trailer. On the
Okay.
location, we have the trailer that has kitchen,
Okay.
full kitchen.
All right.
Yeah, and then we have our own main kitchen is in Saga. That is our main hub.
Okay.
Our main hub where we pack our trucks, some of our trucks, and then where we keep a lot of our food and all that. So what we do is we get our ingredients, and then we travel to the locations.
Okay.
So when we get to the locations, and then
That's quite
we
a
have
bit of
freezer and
logistics.
everything.
It's like
We put all the stuff
right
in there.
from the,
We have a stove, fryer,
Yes.
everything, and then we
That's
keep
quite
so
a bit of
it's
logistics.
fresh. It's like
That's beautiful.
right from the right from the kitchen to your table. I can see the smile. I can see the smile and smirk in your face. Hey, you know, chef. Me no what
Wow.
Yeah, so imagine just food is just cooked just fresh like this, like 10, 15
Big
minutes straight
difference.
to a
That's
chef
right.
in this, and you have to eat. It makes a
Big
big
difference.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
And
That's right.
it's a top notch, and I'm blessed to have
Yes.
a couple chefs. I've been working with Chef Antonio, Chef Greg,
Yes.
Adam, and the couple of them that are working there that I work under them, and I'm blessed to have all of them there. When I start the company, Chef Gina, Shannon, all the chefs that Simon, all of them that I've been working with. It's been a blessing for me because I'm able to learn. When I went into the company, I went with an open mind
Yes.
that I want to learn. And I work hard through there. Very smart and work hard. They were very ready to take me on. Like one of my heads is Chef Greg. It's been a blessing. He just thinks like, yeah, I'm gonna teach you the right way. If I'm doing
Is
something
there a
like
wrong
this,
way
don't
of
try to-
cooking?
No.
Is there
Try
a wrong
this
way of cooking?
Sometimes it is. Let's say
Yes.
temperatures.
Yes.
Because you gotta know how the temperatures of everything, like let's say steak, chicken, you have to make sure it's about 165 and above. In our cooking, maybe we just cook the food, they taste it, and then but you have to.
So which
You have to make
temperature?
sure-
For instance, if you are cooking
if you are
bamboo, which
cooking bamboo,
temperature
which
are you
temperature
looking
are
at?
you
Now
looking at?
those one are staple. Those are staples for like starches and stuff.
Yes.
And when it comes to the meat, you have to be very crucial. You have to know if you are doing like let's say maybe they can do like a steak or so. You have to know if it's even, if it's rare, if it's well done. So now you have to have consistency in everything you're doing. I know sometimes in our contract we take, but hey, that one and that one. So let's say you're going to do rice. 3 cups. So I know sometimes our people will just go and put it in. But you can do 3 cups. And then whatever ratio. So now for next time. So if you say, Adua, please take 3 cups of rice and then add maybe 4 cups of water.
Yes.
Now, even though you are telling them, they are also learning at the same time. Instead of just going to put rice on. So it's consistent. So working with this company, I've learned to really be consistent in everything that you have to do.
Yes.
And then by the grace of God, through that also through my catering helping me a lot. You know, my catering normally I do it on the weekend because I'm working Monday, Friday, then the company.
So the catering is for the
Ghanaian community. I take on anyone. Caribbean, mixed continental. Because normally I register myself with Greek, Italian, Asian, and Caribbean. So
we've all become a pasta, a rice and pasta culture.
Yes, you can switch it up. There's certain things like quinoa, which people might think is expensive. There's barley. Now,
I've tried quinoa, but
it's plain. You tried it? Is it like plain when you cook it?
Yes.
So now, quinoa,
a little bit on the bitter side for me.
Now, it depends how you have to cook it. Now, when you cook it, did you eat it like a stew or just that? Or
no, I was trying for it
in a salad.
Yes.
Okay, so now, if you have this quinoa when you cook it, you have to make sure it's not overcooked. Now, if you have to cool it down, if you want to do the salad. Now, what kind of vegetables did you put in there for the salad?
Oh, ordinary salad.
So for quinoa, like sometimes you can get even add something like pumpkin seeds.
Okay.
Or even like gravy. Now, when you mix it, quinoa is very plain. You want to add some seasoning to it, and then you want to do like a dressing that can incorporate. So sometimes
that is complicated.
You want it straightforward.
I want it straightforward. So I'll wait for you. When you do it, then I will enjoy it.
No problem.
I thought I was doing it right. Apparently, there are more steps.
To it. I bow out of that one
for you. Just being plain to eat. You just want to add some things to it.
Yes.
Let's see. Go for a little bit of a music break, and then we will continue this nice interview.
It's funny, I remember when my dad told me about it, my grandpa was a chef. I was like, wow.
Yes.
It wasn't something I could escape. It's in the blood. Yeah.
So the music playing in the background. Go and I think what I want to ask. You know, the Christmas is coming, holidays and whatnot. So you are tasked that we're going to do another program that showcase holiday cooking. But before we get to that day, you are going to transform this place with the different dishes and splendor of ingredients. Can you give us a little bit of what holiday cooking what it means to do that, and what are some of the simple things one can do for either foods or drinks or whatnot?
For drinks, you want to do like punch. When it comes to punch, like mostly when you go to the market, what I do is sometimes when I want to do like cooking and stuff at home, I go to the shop and I look at seasonal fruits or seasonal vegetables.
Yes.
So those are the things that have come for that, so it's fresh.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's a little bit tip of when you do groceries.
So I should not expect mangoes that are seasonal during summer to be during winter.
Yeah. You want stuff that
want stuff that are a little bit seasonal, and then that way it's a bit better when you do that. Yeah, everybody's different how they want to shop.
Yes.
Normally that's what I do. Like I see what's the vegetable. I take maybe 4 or 5 minutes. I look around on my vegetable section, the fruit section, and see the things that are seasonal. And that is when sometimes even with those that are seasonal, it's a lot that is here. So the prices even helps you a lot. Yes. So something like punch, you can look into what kind of fruits are there. You can make them into a fruit punch. Okay. Also vegetables that are there, you can use the vegetables to do like a steamed vegetable.
Okay. So just before we get to the vegetable section, can you just give a breakdown? Because we say punch, some people know punches as mix this, mix that, and then that is it. But now you're talking about using fruits in punches. So can you just give us an example of a fruit punch that a person can make for the holiday season?
For the holiday season, normally like this. Oranges, some oranges are up. You have sometimes even pears that are up too. Now you can use the fruit pear and blend it, but sometimes they have the juice boxes. Okay. Juice boxes. So now you can balance fruits, pears, maybe some guava juice. Okay. And now it's speaking tropically even to what we like as well too. Yes. Yeah. And then some people you also get like a mint leaf.
Yes, I love.
Gives a lot. It gives a lot of nice and aroma.
Yes.
So now, when you have those two blend together, you can add some nice. You can add some water to it, just to reduce the sugar contents. Okay. Then you can also cut some limes, fresh limes, in there. As you just drop it in, even cut some nice cucumber, fresh cucumber. Yes. In there, put your mint leaf in there, cover it up, let it sit for the night before.
Outside or in the fridge?
Inside, in the fridge.
Okay.
Let it sit in the fridge the day before you go into the oven. Now, once you can, the reason why you're doing that is sometimes you can do it fresh right away. But when you do that, now you have everything enhanced and balanced together. Everything has come together. So now when you taste it, you say, yeah, this is punch. And for example, it's the same thing as like let's say you want to do some protein for the holidays. Yes. In terms of protein, you can do like turkey. Turkey is big during the season, this Christmas time. Yes. You can do some turkey. You can do some ham. You can do some chicken. Chicken, we know most of you chicken is eating regularly, but turkey is not eating regularly as coming to win the season. So for me, a recommendation of a meat that you want to have it as a season, like a Christmas or a holiday or something like that. You can do turkey.
I was thinking goat meat.
You want to do some soup? You want some kaka soup? Which one? Which one that way? Even the turkey, if the turkey is cooking in the depone, you can use that turkey to make soup. The bones to make soup.
But that is more like stock.
You can do a stock with that too.
What am I going to do with stock?
You want the goat meat. You can use the goat meat to make soup too, but you want something seasonable. There's nothing wrong using the goat meat. You can use the goat meat even to make like a stew, to balance with you can like a jollof goat meat jollof rice. That you can balance with it as well. That one is not bad too. But if you want your soup, that is fine. You can use the goat meat to do it. Now, do you want the head or you want the bones? Which one?
No head, no foot. I want the meat, the yummy part, the yummy part. Chef Nate, it's been a pleasure having you in the studio, and I'm looking forward for our next session that we will, have the ingredients in front of us, and then you will break it down to us. And any holiday messages for our listeners and viewers of Literary Voices till you come back the next time?
Yes, I just want to say thank you very much. It's been a pleasure you guys inviting me here, and I just want to say may the Lord continue to expand the territory of your business, and I also thank the viewers out there as well as they are watching. May they continue to support as this program continues to go on, and God bless them all. Wish them a very, very happy season coming very much. God bless them all.
And viewers, we'll be doing another session with Chef Nate, and we will be going in depth into the ingredients used and the health benefits of all those ingredients. So you are our studio expert in food.
So stay tuned.
So
Check it
stay
out.
tuned, yes, and check it out. Just to close off, I'm going to play one of African Canadian musicians' song, Slim Flex, who is in Ghana doing a show right now.
Oh, that's
So
cool. My brother did my classmate. Yaa Yeboaa. Oh, yeah. Ade. Ah. 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 You know what? You see, the chef is moving, eh?
the chef
Oh,
is
the chef can move. Oh. Hey. Oh, the chef can move.
the chef is moving, the chef is moving, the chef is moving. Thank you.
Yes, I really enjoy that.